If you're a man over 60 and you wake up feeling tired, low on energy, or like your body just isn't performing the way it used to, listen carefully. It's not just age. In most cases, your body is quietly running low on a few key vitamins that control your energy, hormone balance, and even your mood. And the good news? You can fix it. In today's video, I'll reveal the 3 most important vitamins every man over 60 needs to restore natural energy, support testosterone, and feel young and strong again, backed by science and doctor recommendations. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to take them together for maximum effect, morning, noon, and night. Welcome back to Intimate Health for Men, where we share real, science-backed advice to help men over 50 and 60 stay strong, confident, and full of life. I'm Dr. Laura, and for over 10 years I've helped men just like you improve their energy, hormones, and vitality naturally. So, if you're serious about living your best years with strength and confidence, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, because we're just getting started. Vitamin number 1, Vitamin D3, the Sunshine Hormone Booster. Let's start with the most powerful one, Vitamin D3. After 60, your skin becomes much less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. And that's a big problem, because vitamin D isn't just about bones. It's a master hormone regulator. When your vitamin D levels drop, your testosterone drops, your energy crashes, and you may even feel mentally foggy or down. A Harvard study found that men with healthy vitamin D levels had up to 25% higher testosterone compared to men who were deficient. That's a huge difference. Most men over 60 simply don't get enough sun exposure, especially if you live in cooler climates or spend most of your day indoors. The fix: take 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, ideally with your breakfast or lunch. It's even more effective if you combine it with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, because vitamin D is fat-soluble. Within a few weeks, you'll notice better energy, mood, and morning vitality. Vitamin number 2, B-complex, the energy converter. Next up is B-complex, sometimes called the engine oil of your metabolism. Here's the deal: as we age, our digestive system slows down. That means we absorb fewer B vitamins from food, especially B12, B6, and folate. These vitamins are responsible for turning your food into fuel. They keep your nerves sharp, your brain focused, and your energy levels steady throughout the day. Without enough B vitamins, you'll feel tired, unfocused, and mentally slow. And here's something few people talk about: B12 deficiency can actually lower testosterone and affect your mood, leading to irritability or mild depression. So, if you're feeling drained or forgetful, it might not be your age, it could be your B vitamins. Look for a high-quality B-complex supplement, preferably one that contains methylated B12, also known as methylcobalamin, because it's absorbed better by the body. Take it with your midday meal for steady energy that lasts all day. Vitamin number 3, Magnesium, the silent strength mineral. And finally, the third essential nutrient, magnesium. This one is massively underrated, but it plays a role in more than 300 functions in your body. That includes testosterone production, muscle recovery, heart health, and deep, restful sleep. Unfortunately, studies show that nearly 70% of adults over 50 are deficient in magnesium. Why? Because it's stripped from most processed foods, and our bodies lose more of it as we age. A clinical study published in Biological Trace Elements Research found that men who supplemented magnesium for just 1 month experienced higher testosterone levels and better sleep quality. That's why I call magnesium your nighttime recovery mineral. For best results, take 300 to 400 milligrams per day, preferably in the form of magnesium glycinate or citrate. These are much easier on your stomach and absorb better. Take it before bed. You'll likely notice better sleep, fewer muscle cramps, and more morning energy within days. How to combine them for maximum effect. Here's the secret that most people miss: these vitamins work better together. Take vitamin D3 in the morning with breakfast. Take your B-complex with lunch or your midday meal. And take magnesium before bed. By doing this, you're supporting your hormones, energy, and recovery around the clock. Morning to night, your body stays fueled, focused, and balanced. Now, everything I've shared with you today is backed by real medical research and clinical data. But remember, always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication or have chronic conditions. Your body is unique, so adjust your dosage based on your personal needs and health goals. Now it's your turn. Which of these vitamins are you already taking, and which one do you think you've been missing? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs a little energy boost after 60. And don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal the 2 powerful herbs that naturally boost testosterone and support men's performance after 60. Stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, vitality has no age.